A few weeks ago I did a video on converting these IBC totes to hold firewood, and so I just wanted to take a few seconds today to show you how we actually implement that when we get ready to fill them up. And so I've got everything staged here. I've got some trees that I've cut. I've got to joint those up, but what happens is my kids come and they split and stack the wood into here, and I'll continue to cut these trees up. I've got some more trees up in here that I'll get a chain and I'll drag them out of the woods and get them jointed up as the day progresses. But this works amazingly well. And so you're right here, you split the wood, you stack it in here, and then the next time you touch it is when you take it out and carry it in the house to burn it in the wood stove. So, you know, if you've ever done firewood, you know over and over and over you have to pick it up. You know, you cut it down, you pick it up, you load it in something to take it, you know, to the house where we used to split it, and then you'd split it and you'd pick it up and you'd stack it, and then you'd, you know, have to take that and then put it in the house. And it's just, you know, it seems like over and over you're picking it up and moving it around. And this way you split it, you put it in there, and then you use your tractor with the forks, you pick it up. I store it up there in my barn right there. I've got one cube left we're at the end of the season, and so I've got a cube up in the garage, and then that's the last one here. So we've got to get these filled up so that they can dry over the summer and be ready for next year. So anyway, I just thought this might be interesting to you. Thank you for watching.